Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set them. We set them. Pre-market out for the Lions is ready. Coin wise, Sammy and Salmon, we steady. Deep cheers when the knowledge connecting. Wise lions studying with patience. Mandalo in the morning. I'm nerding in, we're nerding out. Early morning levels without a doubt. Calling the zones in the structure. Pre-market nerd out. That's all that we about. Shout out to coin wise. Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set them. Why you be all on the trot if you rushing? Why you not marking the levels of soaking? Wise lions patient, we build it for structure. Mandalo teaching the code to the public. Coin wise outfits flowing abundance. Knowledge and discipline stacking the hundreds. Every reaction the lions know how I'm coming. Lions brigade when candles start pumping. Uncle for the bell ringing, the lions on a mission. Studying candles, levels, and timing with precision. A boobalito in any market condition. Coin wise with Kimba Lions dominating the competition. We got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set them. We set them. Pre-market off for the Lions is ready. Coin wise family and similar we stay. Big cheers with the knowledge connecting. Wise lions studying with patience. Mandalo in the morning. I'm nerding in, we nerding out. Early morning levels without a doubt. Calling the zones of the structure. Pre-market nerd out. That's all that we about. Shout out to coin wise. Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We settle.
Good morning. How we doing? Good morning.
Yeah, you know the name. Every move we make, trust the game.
Let's go.
Trust the math gets activated. Never wrong. Strategize, we elevate. In Kimba gang, we dominate. Numbers don't lie, the show ain't
Lions, happy Wednesday. How we doing? How we doing? How we doing?
you feel that? Kimba gang's the life, the path. Follow the code, just trust the math.
Chicken milkshake, Gonza's, Barantina. How we doing? Crypto craze, 10 binds.
We're in the zone, Kimba's on top. Every decision is math, no stop. Let's go. You can't fake it. We've got the proof. Logic wins when we step in the booth. Trust it.
Synonym, ecstasy, into lion. Good morning. Cage, good morning. How we doing? Shout outs Cage. Shout outs Husty.
1 + 1.
Shout outs Buzz.
Green profits, that's more than juice. Blue
Shout outs Talent Show and Who Josen. Uchiha. Unique. Let's go, Indo Lion. Crypto Craze. Shout outs to PSG. Let's go. Dream Chaser. Buzz. Ed's Bit. Chimp. Lord Jammin'. Zoniag. C. Puman. Dream Chaser. Colin Noob. Shout out to Colin Noob. Pedro. That's right. Born ready. Let's get it. Let's get it. Exclamation Discord. Get caught up on the plans. Check out the Kimba's Den if you haven't done so this morning already. Exclamation Discord. Let's go. And dashboard. Are you ready for generational airdrops? Get yourself on TX Flow. Yeah. I'm just here trying to lock in. Good morning, I had the sure. How we doing, Buzzo? Maestro, how you doing? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Gonzaz. Seduce. J-Bucks. Who juicing? Who juicing? Saying we need to get above 70 on the daily, and we did. What's the next levels on oil? 120 is your first TP. There's a plan. I might be a little bit more aggressive with profit taking than waiting for the highs, but you know, stick to your plan, brother. We'll TA it. How about that? How are those highs? Ugh, and leaving the gap that little bit, that's hilarious. Let's go, Zavi. Kimba Gang always, let's go. Rand Michael de Leon. How you doing? Good morning. Dokong, let's go. Good morning. Hard to follow up Wednesday, but you know we're gonna do our best. Dang it. There we go. That's better. That's better. I mean, it's surprising that Bitcoin held up as well as it did with what happened in ES last night. But it wasn't even that, I mean, it's not that bad. It was like 1%. Still though, it looks bad. Yeah, what's today? Wednesday? I think so. Don't be mad at me. We got CPI next week. And we got some minutes today. I think that's the biggest one. Maybe a little de-risking into that. Yeah, it's really just unemployment tomorrow. FOMC minutes today. Lego. Who's in that oil thing? Oh, wait. Juice. Yeah, it kind of reclaimed 70 with prejudice, didn't it? That's on RTH. What is it in aftermarket? Yeah. Let's go. So to me, maybe here is something to keep an eye on, but definitely when you get kind of inside this structure up here, around the yearly EQ. And I think 85 was the area that we wanted to hold before, wasn't it? And then, I mean, you know, this is just one place, but you see this node? And 95, I definitely remember being important. How's that? How crazy is that? It lines up almost to the pixel. That's some nice confluence right there. You get through this little structure, we're right on the edge, and you may sort of be able to see. Yeah, let's drag it all the way back. I mean, shit. Since we came up here. Oh, I killed the volume. That's so long ago. We don't need to worry about all that. Yeah, you see there's like a little shelf over here. And there's like a little bump right there. So I think that maybe we can trade through this, but that's going to be pretty damn close to that. Yeah, let me see if I can get some Bugamos on that. Time for oil to fly and S&P to pop. Are the two... you think they're both going to do that? Deox? Because oil started popping when S&P started dumping. Hey, but I've seen stranger things. All 5 seasons. Let's go. Deox. Yeah. Fippa Apper. Good morning, Mark. Let's go. Good morning, Coke Zero. How you doing, brother? J Russ. Let's go. You're in the oil thing. Let's go, Dolkong. Up on the. Let's go, UP and 3. Michael for life. Kata Spada, Res QQ, Ecstasy. Mark, what you trading? You like a bearish retest at 62.4? Yeah, 62.4, 62.6, somewhere around there. Could happen. Be careful though. You remember that bearish retest we were talking about on Monday? Right on the open, those motherfuckers. Round trip. That was nice though. That's how incredible July has been, Coke Zero. Amazing, right? Shout out to Coke Zero. Huge thank you for the support. That was fun yesterday, dude. Or Monday. Dolcon, did you get in below 70? Yeah, I think if you can get above this 78, then it's a good chance of, well, you got the gap too. If you get above 78, there's a good chance of 79. Yeah, let's make it to 78 first. Then we'll start thinking about the gap. You may get a pullback. If you're lucky, pulls back to here and then starts chewing through the gap. That's if all goes to plan. You still got to get through this first. Let me check the Bugama. It's like 75, I'm sure, has something on our gamma levels.
I got my levels marked since dawn. Been watching price like a hawk, waiting for the wicked to come along. Won't have to push too far, just a couple pips to hit TP1. You and I could lock in games and see the freedom that we've always dreamed of. I remember when we were trading on that run. Move so strong,
felt like it weighed a ton. Green candles lighting up my screen. Your voice on call saying, hold on to me. And I had a feeling we belong. I had a feeling we could be someone. Be someone. Be someone.
I'm efforting it.
You got a clean chart. We go scalping just to catch some juice. Trade room full of laughter. Sharing wins, no time for loose moves. I know things will get better. Edge refined up. I remember when we were trading on that run. Move so strong, felt like it weighed a ton. Green candles lighting up my screen. Your voice on call saying, hold on to me. And I had a feeling we belong. I had a feeling we could be someone. Be someone. Be someone. No more fear, we've been here before. Stop loss, said we let the market roar. Math and data, that's our guiding light. Kimba gang, family riding through the night. I remember when we were trading on that run. Move so strong, felt like it weighed a ton. Green candles lighting up my screen. Your voice on call saying, hold on to me. And I had a feeling we belong.
Yeah, we'll just have to keep an eye on it. I think 75, 80, and 70, you know, like the big psychological numbers. BitBase, 75% profit couple days. It's so possible to juice. Let's go, Coke Zero. Shout outs to BitBase, exclamation BitBase. That is dope, Dolkong. Let's get it. Let's get it. It got the unfilled rotation on Biddy the other day. It grabbed it. Let's just see silver. Ugh. I told you. I told you. That low is ugly too. This is CFDs. You're not going to get volumes. Not like really the previous month POC. It's not calculating correctly. Let's see gold. I didn't just draw that line. That thing has been there. From this. That's fucked up, isn't it? Why do you think it did that? Look at that volume node right here. And if I was like really being accurate about it, I'd put it right in the middle of that, and it's to the pixel. I think that it could go there, Zavi. Let's just play it level by level. You know, we're trading futures positions. What the fuck? Why is it doing that? You know, it would be nice to get it down there. Are you gonna load up? You know, load up your bags? Somewhere down the 3300s? Or is it gonna be like so scary? Are you gonna just put orders down there when it's trading down, or are you gonna wait? Because, like, that's a big pullback. And that's juice. But, man, when it pulls back that hard, you're like, well, what if it goes to 2,300? You know, we get world peace. We get world peace. And it's like, oh my God, what happens if we lose that? It's thin air. And then you get the bullish retest at 2,100. I'm not calling for 2,100 on gold. I don't think that fucking ever happen again. But you never know. You're saying there's a chance. Exclamation hopium. That's where you fucking... No, I think that if it hits 3,300, then that's probably a pretty good level. Zavi. Good morning, Jay Becker. Bergie! Let's go. Good morning. And shout outs to Coke Zero. He's trading. He's already 75% of that account, and that's responsible trading too. He's not like degenning it on fucking Pepe or something. But which one was it? Bonk that had that like hack or something yesterday, 2 days ago? I think it was Monday. Shout outs to bonk holders. Let's go Forgiven. Give us the pullback you need to fill more. What, on oil? Yeah, we'll look at 70 if it pulls back. And you know, Kimba was saying it in the Wise line. Shout outs to Kimba. Y'all, these aren't like precision numbers. It is so... Yeah, I know, Zavi, clip it. It's going to be like in 2010. It'll happen. You get in your time machine. We can call levels all we want. We can draw these lines on the chart and be like, look how juicy my TA is. But dog, we can't control the markets. It's awesome when it pixels it. It's like really sick when it gets close to it. But man, that's not trading. You feel so good. I mean, I'm not bottom ticking every fucking dump the way Coke Zero does. But I'm getting in there, and the important thing is that you're reading it correctly, and if you are wrong, that your risk is managed. So we take shots based on things that have high probabilities. That's what we're learning to do, right? So if it goes there, what data do you have? Yeah, Kim was saying, like, I mean, we're looking at this level, but we'll see what happens when it gets there. It might go a little deeper. It might front run it. What if you're waiting with orders at 33.15 and it bounces at that 33.34 that I had marked? Fuck! You gotta adapt. Fuck. Yeah, I mean, this looks pretty good from yesterday. Once it got above 70, kind of just like upward consolidation, like really, really tight, and off to the races. I think 70 is going to be pretty important if it comes back there. You get single print support, 3 of them now. So we definitely have some aggression into these moves. and a lot of call open interest. Let's go, Gypsy. He juicing. 48 months. Woo! We got a spaceman up in here. Welcome. Ooh, the Bybit wallet is gone. Send it. Let's go, Cage. You didn't get the pop-up for the stream, Destax? Really? Well, welcome to the stream this morning, my boy. I need to turn my headphones down. Yeah, it's been a long week for me already. I'm telling you. Don't pussyfoot. How funny is that I was talking about pussyfooting and then this song came on. How's the music compared to my voice? Let's go, Fredward. Like trying it different. I just have a headache this morning. What's my bias for today? I'm objective. We got 2 minutes till market open. Let's go, y'all. Thank you for the resub, Gypsy. Shoutouts to Gypsy. And thank you for the gift sub. Let's go. Nick. Yeah, let me get into the BTCC. Oil is popping. That's better. I just gotta listen to this. Music is good. All right, all right, all right. You hear me sighing like fucking Napoleon Dynamite. Mouth Breathers Anonymous. I mean, this low is coming. And we're gonna open up. Ooh, I think we might jump the gap and open up in this one. Yeah, and the reason we had that marked was for ETH when we were looking at that. We got 20 seconds. Let's go. Do you know Napoleon's dance? Dude, you know that was like, I saw this interview with him like not too long ago, and he was like, yeah, we heard you like to dance. He just fucking made that up. He just made it up on the spot. Gypsy, I would love to see that. I'm gonna come visit you. Yeah, dude. We heard you like dancing, and then they like base it around the whole movie. Yeah, he's here. He check the Discord, exclamation Discord, Merkane. How you doing? And he's doing live trading. Yeah, he's been hopping in the chat almost every stream also. But he's doing his thing. He's traveling. He's on his honeymoon and doing some big things for the community. Yeah, big things. Okay, a little gap down. We like we threaded the needle on those gaps there, didn't we? Sounds like echoey or something. Ding, ding, ding. Let's go, Mr. Larry's. Barentina. Sunset. Sunset, I'll get you your question in a second. Mergane, but go scroll through the Kimba's Den. Scroll through the Kimba's Den. In the Discord. Yeah, get caught up. You can get a lot of juicy TA, a little bit of updates on things that are going on. Exclamation BitBase, welcome back, dude. BitBase is the new exchange that we've been doing a lot of giveaways with. So get yourself signed up for it and, you know, get ready for some juice. And then TX Flow is another one, and it's a new DEX. You've seen CoinWise, haven't you? Shout out to CoinWise. Exclamation CoinWise. If you haven't tried it out yet, you get a 14-day trial to it, and then they have their dashboard for everyone. Yeah, it's a free 14-day trial. Yeah, they got some juicy TRADFI things coming out soon. Exclamation dashboard. So they got, this is Coinbase Bitcoin. Daily levels. And you can do higher time frame. Unfill rotations. They got some juicy things coming. I was talking to a couple of the guys yesterday. Yeah, get hyped. Y'all, you know they got like 100 fucking education courses. Sunset, I didn't forget about you. I'll answer your question in a second. And then this is daily charts. That's pretty dope. You got liquidation heat maps. Ooh. 61.4, 61.5. Mm-hmm. Ooh, right from that impulse that we had talked about a long time ago, 6,500, 6,600. Yeah, right from that first impulse, and then right from that one. And this low right through here. Oh, god awful. Lick map. It's pretty dope. Binance, Bybit, OKX, come long, come short, come everyone. Ooh-wee! It's cumulative. I'm just being stupid. Shoutouts Gypsy. If you're not watching their classes, you crazy. They got quizzes too. They have a trading journal. But you can get access to a lot of their features just with that trial, Mergane. Have you tried it out? It's dope. And you can use their trading view indicators. It's got the RTH gas and a bunch of stuff. MEXC 83, oh my god! Did you have a good birthday, brother? Dude, we got a lot of July birthdays in Kimba Gang. It's hard not to when you have 30,000 people in the community. That's awesome. That's awesome, MEXC 83. He juicing. Get your umbrellas out. Thank you for the gift subs, brother. Zavi. Come today on oil. Your birthday today, JB? Oh, your birthday is in July also. Nice. Nice, nice. Dude, one of my best friends when I was growing up had birthday the day before mine. That was pretty cool to like celebrate together like that. But I got one of my best friends as an adult. His birthday, he was born exactly 2 years after his brother. On the same day. Fucking crazy. Yeah, I've heard of that a few times, but it was pretty cool. His brother's a cool dude too. Let's go, Kimba! Abubulito! Yeah, so that RTH gap sunset, that's what you were asking about. This will maybe come into play a little bit more tomorrow with the options on Friday morning. Well, it's just weekly options. It's not tremendous. It's not a huge figure. Good morning, Kimba. How you doing, brother? Thank you for the Kimba's Den update and for the always juicing. Wise Lions, he was in the Bitcoin talk a little bit too, so just scroll back. Shout out to the Wise Lions exclamation NFT and YouTube are juicing. The YouTube Lion Kings and Discord VIP, of course. But get yourself in that BitBase. And always Kimba's Den has the juice for everyone. Senate, your birthday after Christmas? Dude, I know. I had a buddy that's birthday was on Christmas. That sucks. Kimba is the best teacher and streamer? Yep. And then Merkine, there's some new additions to this if you haven't seen that. CME open interest. So you can get some of this information off of CME. It's all CME and CFTC. But the visual version of this, where it's not just like data based, it's like translated to oscillator or graphic form. It's really nice. Abubulito Cage, let's go. Let's go, Mark. Let's go, Ecstasy. Yeah, I had a buddy that's birthday was on New Year's. That was pretty cool. New Year's or Halloween, I think. If so, it's going to be by Christmas, then, you know, New Year's is pretty awesome because there's always going to be something to do on your birthday. It might like kind of eclipse your birthday a little bit with the excitement, but there's like, you're always going to have something to do. Everybody's in a good mood. And then Halloween, I think, is a really fun holiday. Yep, and that's kind of like with the levels that you were seeing on the dashboard on the first screen with the charts. That's like the printout, and you can get access to this daily levels with your trial. February 1st? Oh, one. See, I'm American, and we do our dates backwards from the rest of the world, just like everything else. We do our dates backwards. It should be day, month, year, like the rest of the world, but we do it backwards. Y'all, I know you think that you're all like all fancy with your fucking metric system. You should look into the history of it. It's pretty insane. Yeah, 1-2, that's how they do it here. Almost another one. I don't like this low on RTH. Okay, so the gaps. New York session, sunset. New York session is where the institutional money is trading. It's where you have the big money trading. You have the hedge funds, the firms, the fucking JP Morgans. They're trading during New York session. Let's go, Fredward. Fredward, you know about that. I know that you're scientifical and you like know the deal. It's pretty crazy. There's an argument to be made for the American measurement system, which is not even the American measurement system. Alligators and eagles per hour. That's exactly right. We're gonna measure our shit and how many washing machines it takes. How big is your new Hummer truck? It's the size of 16 refrigerators. How much gas do you need? I don't know, like a fucking ocean full. God damn right. I don't give a shit. I got my credit card and it's gonna get filled up. Joke's on you. It's electric. New York Curvies? You're in New York? No internet or power since the 4th? Are you for real, dude? You missed a song. You don't need no other streamer. Yeah, let me just like diminish myself so a little bit more. If I can find it, I'll play it, dude. Is that for real, Curvies? Are you? I forgot that you were in New York, dude. That is bullshit, dude. Oh my god. It's the Illuminati. So the institutional money is trading during this time, Sunset. And there's settlement on futures every single day. And you got options every month and every quarter. But like for Bitcoin, for instance. So that's why we have settlement marked on here. The gaps are like from the daily close of the New York session. There is ETH, but there's almost zero lag now on, at least on CME Bitcoin futures. It got a little bit more complicated to explain the whole thing, but maybe not. Just like think about the gaps in forms of it's during or when New York session isn't trading. So it's like 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. New York time. That's when institutional money is trading. That's when the bank's money is in the market. In theory, that's the big time for traditional finance. Settlement is the close, and the kind of the closing price. Like some of the markets have a little bit different settlement procedure, but the basic kind of long story short for settlement is it's like the closing level for that market for a certain day. And you know, if futures trade way above it or way below it, and it opens up somewhere else, that's what produces these gaps. So after trading, settlement was, wait, what time? Yeah, right here. Settlement was right here. There was still trading all through the night, all the way until today. That's like freaking 16 hours. Is that how long it was? 17 and a half hours of trading between settlement and now. Things can change in that amount of time. But like, maybe think about it like this. So, and gas prices might be a good thing, but gas stations are fucking always open. So like, you go to the store and you like want to buy something, but you're like, oh shit, I forgot my wallet. I'll just get it tomorrow. And you go home, store closes, the next day you go back and like, all of a sudden the price is higher. And you find out, fuck, they had a shortage on styrofoam. That actually happened with like oil products a couple years ago and refrigerants, appliances and such. And it was like overnight, everything jacked up prices like a motherfucker. Because they couldn't get the materials. It was like that that shipping shortage that we had. And I think that it happened elsewhere too. But like you go back to the store the next day, it's fucking a different price. Like what? How's that even work? There's external factors aside from the time that New York is trading. Let's go, Cyper. Did it hit you guys too? Shout out Cyper. How you doing, brother? Good morning, good after. Oh, it's good evening to you. Your house is in the sell dead zone? Watching on a... Oh my God. Curvies, I've done that before, dude. I've been in hurricanes and shit, and like we lost power, and it's really, really unusual. I have like a mini generator, but it's like mostly for like the appliances. I want to get like a big one, but I kind of want to move. But in any case, I have been in the car trying to power my fucking laptops and shit and my phone, so my devices didn't run out of juice so I could keep trading. I've done that. It's like the fucking Tyrone Biggums type stuff. I like have like the whole mobile desktop like sprawled out over all my seats and shit. Hang out outside Starbucks, yeah. Yep, so getting into that gap a little bit. I would keep an eye on this sweep right here. So that other one happened outside market session. It happened before, didn't it? Yeah, I don't need that anymore. You can probably see that better, but I just don't need it. We're keeping an eye on that level right there. That's pretty juicy though, this little box right here. We were like, okay, blast through it and then come back and like almost pixel retest it. Juicy. We don't need all of this. So like if you're a bank or something, if you're JP Morgan, are you going to be happy that you know, you're like in a you like miss that move and you have all this money that you can move the market? Sometimes you might have to swallow it because just like there's overwhelming momentum, but it's a real big imbalance. Yeah, okay, double A. It's a big imbalance. You know you've been in a place that you open the chart and you're like, fuck, I missed the move. What if you... If I told you that you could move the market back to the place that you want to get in, is that something you might be interested in? You want that NPOC? Yeah, that gets that NPOC down here. It's fucking... It's gonna clean this. RTH did not clean, by the way. Too much sauce. Did not clean. It's so close to there. I think it's gonna go lower if that happens. I think if that happens, it's probably gonna go to that 55 gap. Let's play it one thing at a time. Yeah, we got this point of control down here and the gap fill. Yeah, it could totally just gap fill and go. Do you have, did that make it any better for you? Does that make it any better, Sunset? I don't know if I like, because I was jumping around a little bit. Their imbalances, they don't have to fill. Can you have 50% per on Bitcoin? Let's go, Happy. I have 50 cents worth of Bitcoin. Does that help? When you do, suits go off for vacation. Yeah. Let's go, Happy. We juicing. He juicing. Get your umbrellas out. Happy juicing. We want to see hype. Yeah, first level, either get back and trade into this gap. You still may run into a resistance around that 62.7 zone on CME. We start reclaiming above that though, and that's like the mid of the gap. I think that high will come, but that's a lot of if and thens. So just plan for that if it occurs. The first thing that I'm looking at around here is either dip the tip and out, or is it going to look for a swing fail right here? If it closes below here, I'm going to be planning for the potential gap fill. And that'll bring us on spot to around 60K. So that's 4 different scenarios in about 30 seconds. Ask questions if you couldn't keep up. I'm not trying to predict the future. I'm planning for it. Let's go, Fredward. Let's go 10 binds. Let's go ecstasy. But my 57.8 longs. Dude, just plan for it. Let's go 10 binds. Ecstasy. And it's not like this is a bad low. We're losing monthly VWAP though. Yeah, where's our unfilled rotation? 58,116. Wait, do I have it hidden? We got that unfilled rotation up here. 58,116. Oh, yeah. It's the same thing as that previous week value area low. We got outside. This is right at previous week value area high right here. If it accepts inside, and I would see that as accepting less as trading into it and more like getting candle closes below that, below this low. Shorts are juicing. We just get some longs coming in too. They might be a little bit early, but you got a clear invalidation. If somebody longed here, I mean, I don't know what you're seeing that I'm not, but you know, you have a clear invalidation, and this is right above previous week value area high. If it tucks back in, I suppose, but we don't have a structure change. It's just making, like, that's a lower high, that's a lower high, that's a lower high. It's not looking that great in like this time frame of the past day and a half, ever since it made that one high and grabbed the naked point of control. Juice up. Golly, couldn't even get that 1840. Wait, did it on Binance? No. Oh well. It was nice while it lasted. Let's go, Senate. What you trading, Senate? What you trading, Senate? My mate Nate, let's go! I missed you come in. How you doing, brother? Shout outs my mate Nate, how we doing? It's been a while. Neil, how you doing? Yeah, missed that low. I don't like that right there. And this is crazy, isn't it? I just drew that like off screen. This is that same box we've had for fucking ever. How long have we had that box? That's pretty crazy. So we talked about like this zone, maybe down to 73, like right here. Maybe, well, that wasn't 73, that was 75, but like maybe like here or that. Yeah, like that, I think maybe. If it's gonna do it. And I would be okay maybe with that on Sol. Look how that lines up with the point of control too. That's pretty juicy. You want to do it from the very low? I'll go into lower time frame. I mean, that's pretty much pinned from it. Bitch. Oh my god, this fucking thing. Right at the bands. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Bad highs too. So I just kind of really want to hold the box if it goes any deeper. If it loses it, maybe it hits that VWAP and cleans this low. I don't really know if I want to go back below there, but it just got to stay above 67. It kind of for any like hope. Do I have a level on dot? We'll go to dot. Somebody wants to see hype first. Who was that? You got the short from 63.7. Dope. Let's go Senate. Let's go Senate. He juicing. For here, for this move, I mean, it's looking kind of bearish for low time frame, mid time frame. It got shot down pretty hard from this structure and volume level. And I did not just draw this 68.91. So it's kind of juicy. Look at that shit, dude. That is crazy. But it's right at 69. 69, dudes. Yeah, I'm gonna go higher time frame. I forget how I drew that level. If I like labored over it, I would remember, but we don't got time for that. I mean, this is a decent high on the 4 hour. We're right at the point of control. We pretty much don't want to lose the 66, I don't think. Yeah, 66.5. You get down below that previous week VWAP, I think, then it might nuke all the way down to $65 if that's the case. Now you're gonna start breaking structure. So you kind of have like this little trend that you want to maintain, even though it kind of broke out of it. You need to stick inside. You can look at it like this. Yeah. And then it broke out back inside. Maybe it trades all the way back down, and that's like confluence with that previous week VWAP level. Yeah, this is just pinned at the lows kind of, but it's actually kind of ugly how I drew it. Yeah, that's not that bad. Yeah, it kind of connects with that. But you see this structure. It's pushing up towards the highs and keeps making higher lows. We just need to keep those higher lows. If it wicks down somewhere through here, you still got $62, huh? Yeah. Maybe that's the next higher low. I kind of don't want to break that trend line. And I'm not like a big trend line trader. 59.9 to 59.6. Shout outs to KIMBA'S Den. I don't know if I want it to go that low. But it could be. I want the 60 level to get defended. Yeah, I think worst case I want 62 to hold. Yeah, those lows are ass. Yeah, maybe a little higher. And things look better. So that's to the downside. To the upside, I want 69 reclaimed. So wherever we are right here, I want to make a higher high than that. Then I'm maybe thinking about taking out these highs and then the other ones, which are worse. But one thing at a time. What did somebody else want to see? Dot? Let's go, Neil. Let's go, Indo Lion. Hero, 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 hero. You're not even looking at that. Sorry, Cage. He's got his own juicy TA on it. Honestly, I think that this 79 gets swept. It's that easy. If it had made it above this, I would be like, my next level would have been something like this. I've been like, all right. Well, it's trading back in here. You just gotta like get, and maybe even like that. But it's gonna trade through that. That's like the next area that you need to watch. And it's like, I mean, it's only 3 cents. Right before $1. You gotta get inside there for bullishness. Otherwise, we just need to make a higher high. I'm still not convinced if it bounces here that this is the higher low on the daily structure. And it's not even worth looking back. Does it even go back lower than this? From origin. And it already swept the origin. Yeah. So for me, I would maybe consider it if it swept this and got back inside. I would feel a lot better if somewhere we make a higher high. Then I'll get in on a pullback maybe. Exclamation. Merch. Exclamation merch. Suey. Looks like shit. I mean, I think the same thing about that is hype. I mean, dot.
Whipping the Lambo, skirt on the shorts, no one stopping the flow. Bury the fight and revive up the hope. Throw a big party for all of the bros. Make every day like a payday. Show up for my Kimbas who rode on the down day. Shout to the chat, yeah, we get it the wild.
You know that this looks kind of similar, other than you got a good low right here. That's just a lower high, kind of failed auction, where you had your point of control like right to the pixel. Now it's like failed auction at value area low. You see that? This is value area low right there. So reject, point of control, make a lower low. Now we're rejecting from value area low. Kachoya. Volume delta? You're liking the low that we just set? This one? Yeah, but look on the daily, man. Like, it is pretty nice, but look at the volume on it. And look at the volume on this pump. It's kind of soft. Look at the volume on this pump. Ever since we came down here, like, I guess we'll get that off of the chart. This one was a good one. And then it just like, we didn't, I don't know, man. You see this? That's your best volume, and it's like going in, like driving towards the lows. So what are you asking about volume delta? Are you trying to do the formula for it? Watch out for 3 AC. Time wasting lows. I mean, yeah, but it gave us juicy positions. That was a nice little run back. That's like 6K. That was like 10%. Wasn't it? Better than 10%. No, you just want to learn more about it. Volume delta. It's nice in footprint, I think. It's nice in footprint. And TradFi's footprint sucks. So you're like an EXO or one of the other platforms, maybe Addis. Not like the low. Yeah. Okay, I see you. Yeah, that's pretty nice. I mean, with volume, it swept this locally. I don't like holding this. But if you gotta hold a low somewhere for a rebound. That's not that much. That's, I mean, $300. That's not too close. In daily structure, that's really close. In this session, being 2 sessions later, it's not that close. It's okay. Depends on how you're trading this. Depends on what traditional markets are doing. We didn't even put a prediction up. You want to do a initial balance? First candle from initial balance? Yeah, getting in the gap. And ES isn't really helping. S&P, help me. Time wasting lows, yeah. It's not too great for it, Deox. Biff, how you doing, brother? Shoutouts to Biffum. How you doing, brother? Biffum's an OG legend. Y'all. And I tell you what, I'm not saying that because the NFTs are the future of finance. But if you want a sick NFT, holy shit, I think Biffum has a couple that he might be willing to part with. He's got some fucking crazy ones. Let's go, Biffum. Shoutouts, brother. And he was like the resident mug dealer. Dude, his are so insane. You just look on the fucking NFT shit. Exclamation NFT. Wise Lions. Shoutouts to the Wise Lions. You can juice up off an NFT. The Gex. I'm not selling. It's the future of finance. I got diamond hands. What's harder than diamonds? Mandalo. That's who. That's right. Biffum, love you, man. We're just happy to have you here, dude. Let's go. Let's go, Latisse. I should. I think that mine is donated by... Yeah. Biff. I know. Thanks, Sunset. Shoutouts to you, brother. A week's salary in one swing. Let's go, Senate. Yeah. That's dope. And you know what? It makes me happy to hear that. Because you're not like... That's good income, and it was a good swing. I'm so happy to hear the Lions juicing, but I also am really happy that you're not like oversizing or something. Because man, for every juice story, you hear so many fucking sad stories too. Like, oh man, I got wrecked. I should have done this, I should have done that. Senna, I know you've been here, you're fucking OG. It's a hard game though, right? Yeah, that's juice, brother. A week's salary. Maybe it'll give you another week on the way down. That's a good way to look at it. Each juicy trade that you take is one more week that you, or one less week that you have to work before you retire. Yep. Oh yeah. Yeah, getting wrecked for like in like a morning trading session from work, fucking trading on my phone, getting wrecked as a motherfucker. Idiot. Like a month's salary and fucking a morning. You know what it is. That's the old days. That's before Kimba Gang. Rewarded. Yeah, Senate. We have. Most of us have anyway, 83rd. Yeah, shout out Senate. What kind of construction did you do? Just like general? We did building, so it was a little bit of everything in my book. But I worked with some people before I did that. It was not fun. It's got its moments, but if you're just like doing the labor, it fucking sucks. Gonna work for $7 an hour? Same. Sunset, that's amazing. I'd love to hear that, actually. It's a journey. Practice. Maybe you get some, maybe you get to win the giveaway. Have you won it yet? And you have a little bit to play with. Dude, Biffum, I know, man. I know. Shit, I still make mistakes, but every single time that I make a mistake, I'm like, I know exactly why. I'm like, I go into a trade like fucking already knowing that it's the low probability. If I follow my system, it usually works out. If it doesn't, it's just like, you don't even have to think about it because you're not emotional about it. Just hold the ruse for Mrs. Mandalo, Fredward. Between you and me, I'll admit it, but I never make mistakes. Hell no. More risky some days versus other. Yeah, dude. It is definitely, Biffum. $18 a day remotely from Afghanistan. J-Bucks, but dude, that's probably good money there, isn't it? Like, that's a decent living. It sounds like here that wouldn't go very far. But it's crazy, man. Like, if like the cost of living is lower, then it's just a number. Yeah, that's great, man. Yeah, it doesn't have to be a competition. As long as you make enough to like satisfy the things that the needs of life, and then you're working, you're here working to make things better. Fuck yeah, dude. Respect to all the people that are working, that are grinding. Respect to the people that are trying to make this full time. It's stressful, dude. Let's go Endolion. 2025, yeah. Biffum, for sure, brother. Yeah, we just want to try to keep our losses small and our wins big. Win all season, Manolo. We might get a pop like at some point this summer. Dayox. I'm trying to be optimistic, dude. Oh, it's like a fucking dinosaur. You get our alt seasons. I mean, shit, dude, we already have one. Alt season happened when we went to 126,000. A pop before the real BTC low? Maybe. I think that we might have kind of got it. We just rejected off a value area low. I'm a little less optimistic seeing that data right there. 2028, oof. That's a long time to wait, dude. But where are you going? What's your hurry? My hurry is I need a goddamn Bugatti. Another one. For real. We're gonna work hard. We're gonna work hard and earn it. This is a lifelong skill that you're learning. Who wants... Stand up, construction workers. Stand up, anyone who's in physical labor. Not like giving birth, but doing manual labor. If there are already, have some TRADFI. That's fucking right, Biffum. And TRADFI is kind of scary. But dude, who gives a shit about alt season? Like, look at S&P, it's fucking up only. Look at SpaceX. Let's look at SpaceX, actually. Okay. Before that, let's just give you some perspective. This is S&P, it's ES. In the past, since the lows last April, so it's like 15 months. Okay? And this is a multi-trillion-dollar asset. We're up 50%. Let's look at Bitcoin. That's the same low. Yes, it fucking way overdid it. Yikes. So long term, we're down 22% from that juicy low. How about ETH? ETH didn't get hit as hard as that, did it? Oh, 26%. It's still alt season, my boy. How about Sol? We're just doing it from that low. We're just doing it from that low. Because 2023 to 2025 was the alt season. Yeah, didn't pump as hard as ETH. Yeah, and Sol's way down. But so ETH is actually, we rag on ETH all the time, but ETH is actually from that doing better than Sol and Bitcoin. So where's this alt season at? 3,000% from the lows. Yeah, I know, Biff. Are you journaling? Wait, let's look at this. What was it? What was that one? I just had it. Okay, so AMD this year. Hype had a good run this year. So we'll look at that one first, actually. Hype's juice. We're just gonna look at it from here. 186%, 189%. Dope. Let's look on our stonks. What the fuck is my AMD? Same time frame. Okay. How about Micron? $256. Worst Texas instrument. Oh, Sandus, that's what it was. We'll do it from here, not even from the lows, like right at the yearly open. 294 from the lows. Dog. That was juice too, dude. We fucking TA'd this one. Was it last week? It wasn't Monday, I don't think. Holy shit. And I almost got that whole gap, but it cleaned that. We were looking at it. I still think this at least. So this is your shit coin for this year. That's right. That's right, Fredward. It's gonna be fine, Biffum. It's gonna work out, brother. That's usual. 10th of July? Let's go 83rd. Or it just feels like Bermuda. I didn't know you lived in Bermuda. I'm not a big heights person. I'm the one that gets the ground floor penthouse. I want to walk out to my pool. My helicopter, I just tell him to like stay 10 feet above the ground because I don't want to go up too high. That's dope. That's dope, 83rd. Keep an eye on that one. That's Friday. Why do they always do that shit on a Friday? Oh, we missed the boat on the fucking initial balance one. That's what you wanted to see? Yeah, that was a good one too. Look at that short. Oh my God, look at that gap. But SpaceX did that shit too, you know? It got this super hype run and then fucking right Choya. Whoops. All right. I swear to God, this song. Houston, I think you had a hand in this one. Do you know what I'm talking about? It sounds like that fucking Connor For Real song. Wise Lions. Yes, 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 yes. Fuck. Welp. And they held it. I think it did sweep. $100 is the 1.618. There we go, 2.618. That's about right. I'm just kidding. Don't. I gotta say these things. You get the clickbait. I'll post it on X and be the fucking, like, have a bazillion followers. Let's go, Sophia. How we doing? Inky called SpaceX. What's that forgiven? An astronaut in the ocean. Oh, shit. Oh shit, it's the same kind of suits, isn't it? Let's see if this works. We go from this to that. No! Shout out to CoinWise. It was clear as day as short, yeah. You took a screenshot. Uh-oh, hot dog. I don't know, man. It might just sweep. But it's pushing on those lows pretty hard. Where's the hype at now? Are we gonna have another moon mission? No, not for a year. We're gonna be like badillionaires by the time this shit. What's the next one? Let's go back to Biddy. Needs to hold this gap. It did close the initial balance inside. I'm still keeping an eye on this low right here, 61,350 area. Maybe that holds. We got monthly VWAP curling up to us. Yeah. Let's go to the balcony. To the balcony. I'm gonna take a piss. Y'all can celebrate. You can pour one out for our SpaceX brethren. That was a juicy fucking trade though, like right off of the open, all that hype. And then, I mean, a lot of people got run over on that short. Trying to short it right out of the, right out of its listing. Yeah, it's a hot dog in both directions. It was like a 50% run. Imagine sending rockets to the Earth's core. It sounds about as believable as sending rockets to the moon. Dude, there's some crazy shit with that. I don't even know what to believe anymore. But when you see these motherfuckers with wires and shit, and you got people saying, we never went to the moon, it becomes harder to believe. When you get coffee cups like floating through the screen. Kind of interesting that AI got so good and all of a sudden we're going to fucking the moon. Fredward, I think I saw it. Damn, MEXC83. No wonder you're juicing. Holy shit, that is so juice. 225, got the fucking pixel top. We strong, that's right. Armstrong? No, we strong. I'm strong if you strong. Well, we strong, man. Dude, Mrs. Mandalo, like, still hadn't seen that. And I showed it to her. She was loving it. She used to watch when Kimba streamed, but she was like, I gotta listen to you all day long and then on stream. Fuck that. That's amazing. That's amazing, my mate Nate. Is it really hot right now? It's beautiful. Oh, you never know, man. She ain't wrong. She had a podcast at one point. I think I listened to like a little bit of it. It was like this girl show. You know what I'm saying. It was like her and some of her fucking business people. I don't know. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Heyo, let's go, Fredward. I get the Mrs. Mandalo TNA. Let's get it. Oh, that wasn't PG rated. I really do want this video though. You remember when we had that? Maybe Husty has access to it. Husty, do you have this video? I would love to play that again. Maybe you can play it for I guess not for Hood Juicin', but maybe the talent show. Let's go, Ecstasy. You had a nice 195 short. Let's go, Synonym. Damn. That's juicy. Let's go, Hayblade. How are you doing, brother? Happy Wednesday. We got the minutes coming up in a little while. I'm going to be gone by then, but... Irish. Let's go, maybe. How are you doing, brother? You having some poke? Man, I could go for some. Was it Facebook that had that? Poke? Was it Facebook or was it MySpace? Shit. You had MySpace. I think you're only a couple years younger than me. You probably had MySpace. Fuck, dude. But some good poke. Do you have any good poke places there? Maybe. That's kind of like the determining factor if I'm going to move down there with you. I might actually move to Florida, but... I don't know. We got Surf Park here now, so I'm kind of comfortable. Did you? Let's go, maybe. You've been doing that for a long time. That's juice. Facebook was poking? Okay. Dude, Facebook came out. I was like, why the fuck would I use that? I got MySpace. My shit was the dumbest shit, dude. You did, Barantino? What part? That's awesome. Yeah, has some family down there. Kind of spread all over. I got a little land too, but it's not like anything cool. Fort Lauderdale, that's where Mrs. Mandalo is from. She's from Margate, actually, but close enough.
Central, pero el WEEX me traicionó y ella dijo no, no está. Es una maldita WEEX, una ratata. Ella lo que quiere que le marque el ya.
Shit. I did not see that. Did he just post that? I fucking had my phone off. Holy shit. Well. You did? That's awesome, man. Yeah, Mrs. Mandalo's from down there. I got some family up in North Florida too. And I got a brother in arms living on the other side. Let's go, maybe. Dude, maybe show me this movie that's coming out. It looks fucking kind of cool, man. Werewolf? Maybe. Are you gonna see that? Yeah. You saw a Zero Hedge tweet. You fulfilled your duties as an immigrant. You worked in a restaurant. What did you do? Were you a server? The day I said, nuke it. Yeah, I feel you. It looks pretty. It's interesting, dude. It is interesting. I have it on my list too. That one thing that we were talking about. I kind of want to check it out. That Hamlet one. I'm interested in that. It's probably going to be a really hard miss. So low expectations, but you know, you never know. Started runner than the servers. That's sick, dude. Yeah, pretty crazy. We were here talking about that and they had just made it. Uh-oh. Hot dog. I'm trying to go into X. See, if you're not on True Social though, you're missing out. Follow me. I'm just kidding. I am on there, but I fucking never post and never even open it. Oh, man. I'm getting, like, in my feed, completely conflicting stories. It's some crazy shit. It's like, dude, we'll just play the fucking levels. Well, shout outs to the oil longers. Anyways, let's see what oil is doing. Fuck it. Oh, there's my French side. Juice. What was that level we were looking at? 78 in the gap. But I already traded into it before. Get those NPOCs too. Send it. They canceled your stop loss? How? What was it? What were you trading, Inky? slippage would have covered it. Damn. Did you get licked? I've had that happen on some alts before. But like small positions at least. When it got hella fucking volatile, it's not like, what are you trading that got so volatile? No, Fredward. No, it doesn't cost money. It pays for itself. You did, Fredward? Fuck me, dude. I have some shit on WEEX. WEEX is fine. Isn't that what the Sato counter trading is on also? It's small. Okay, and you didn't get licked, but that sucks, man. Damn. Damn. You closed your long because it closed the gap. I see you. Barentina, that's juice. You're not gonna go broke taking profits. Yeah, you can always get back in, dude. Let's TA this one. I don't like these lows down here, but let's just look at it like in this run. We know that 7450 had huge Bugammas and 7400 was. We'll pull up Bugammas in a moment. I'm gonna like refresh mine also. I actually, let's go to the balcony because I gotta piss for real. Like I was like talking about it. Let's go to the balcony real quick and we'll TA S&P and do like a little bit more nerd outs. I may have to take a call in a few minutes too. Shit. To the balcony. I love this song too. I gotta stretch too, man. Like my back is sore as fudge. Probably 10 binds. Probably. Maybe it sweeps this, or maybe it just like kind of consolidates down here, and those minutes are like the push that that catalyze swing fail or continuation. Yeah, that gap isn't like the greatest look for us right now, though. That's a pretty big gap. That's what he said. WEEX is... So, I think that they actually stepped up a little bit from where they were initially. I don't mind them that bad, and I traded them a lot in the beginning days because it was the only exchange that we had that had coin margin. Now we got a bunch of them. But you got the, I mean, shout outs to WEEX because they've been good to us. You got the Sato trading. Exclamation who juicing. It's still on WEEX, isn't it? Maybe the connection to EU is bad. Yeah, I don't know. Juicing long, let's go. All right, to the balcony. Let's go, Kimba Gang, always. Yeah, I'll be right back. It's gonna be quick in case I gotta take a phone call. Let's go.
Dame mi dinero, el mercado no para. Los verdes subiendo, la cuenta dispara. Humo en el aire, lo que sobra es flow. Vibra positiva, mi estilo es el show.
Oh mami, yo le meto con todo. Contando billetes, el éxito en modo. Los números suben, todo se acomodo. Sumando ganancias directo al trono.
La bolsa me habla, nunca me traiciona. Cada paso que doy, la vibra se acciona. Uno sube lento, pero el verde reacciona. El juego está claro, la misión funciona.
Freezing up, dame mi dinero. El humo se siente, verde el sendero. La vida reluce, todo ligero. Sumando ganancias, yo soy primero.
El mercado me guía, me puedo perder. Los números vibran, me siento a correr. La cuenta se eleva, todo el placer. Con humo y estilo me dejo envolver.
La mente conecta, no pierdo el control. Los verdes suben, la meta soy yo. Todo calculado, aquí no hay error. Cada movimiento me da el sabor.
Humo en el aire, tan dulce el olor. Letuces subiendo, billetes de amor. Los números cantan, me dan el calor. El mercado es mío, no siento temor.
Freezing up, dame mi dinero. El humo se siente, verde el sendero. La vida reluce, todo ligero. Sumando ganancias, yo soy primero. Dame mi dinero, el mercado no miente. El humo subiendo, billete en la mente. Freezing up, siempre. La vibra presente. El juego lo tengo aquí, no hay pendiente.
Dame mi dinero, el mercado no miente.
El humo subiendo,
Billete en la mente. Rising up siempre, la vibra presente.
el juego lo tengo aquí, no hay pendiente. Pendiente.
We made it, yeah. We made it. We made it, yeah. We made it. We made it, yeah. We made it. We made it. We made it. We made it. Produce it. We made it. We juice it. We made it. We juice it. We made it. We juice it. We made it. Who juice it? We juice it. We juice it. We juice it. We got it, money, easy trades, Kimba gang, we got it made. Yeah, we made it, Kimba gang. Before MC's coming, markets moving quick, Kimba gang juicing. We ready for the hit, numbers on the screen, we calculating hard. Saddle lost again, we playing with no guard. Charts lined up, Fibonacci in sight. Risk to reward, we always trading right. Fed about to speak, we juicing for the win. Kimba gang prep, let the profits roll in. Kimba gang juicing, FOMC on deck. Trades locked in, no room for regret. We stacking Bugatti money, profits on the rise. Saddle while her slipping, we taking the prize. Juice in the charts, cash flow on the way. Kimba gang winning, every single day. FOMC coming, but we ain't scared. Saddle in the back, unprepared. We juicing hard, no fear, we climb. Fed about the top, but we ain't wasting time. Charts lined up and the moves are clean. Kimba gang juicing, always on the scene. Who ready? Who juicing? We juicing, we juicing, we juicing. We got it, money, easy trades. Kimba gang, we got it made.
Keep it on jump, keep it on jump, keep it on jump, keep it on jump, posted on the chart, catching that feel right. Mad top chart, walk ready for the flip side. Data got me focused. Kimba got the green light. CDD divergences, stacking up on both sides. Price at the high, I'm watching absorption. Watching on our steady levels in motion. Trading with the crew, yeah, Kimba gang devotion. Never miss the move, patience is the potion. Hit the zone, now I'm all in. Wrist tight, never stalling. CBD Prince exhaustion calling. Bounce come quick, got that math installed.
Back. Let's go. CVD divs sacking up on both sides. Let's go. Shout outs to the Wise Lions. Exclamation Discord. Exclamation Kimba's Den. It's not an exclamation Kimba's Den, but check out the Kimba's Den. And shout outs to the Wise Lions. Exclamation NFT. YouTube. Lion Kings. Let's go. Hitman Gucci, how we doing? Let's go with TX Flow. Shout outs to Housty. You're signing the song. Is it stacking up on both sides? I don't think it is. It might be hidden. Let's see our Boo Gammas. We'll see our Boo Gammas, and then, yeah, I said I was going to update that too on my side. Yeah, it's got like some fires on the IRL business side. I'm fucking tweaking right now.
Stack up, volume top, shorts fade out, walk the walk, limit lines hit, wrist set tight, no matter the zone, Kimba gon' fight, keep it on jump, keep it on jump, levels in the mix, gotta get that hit, Kimba on the chart, let that data drip, stacking them CVD lines when I see.
He's just singing the song. Exclamation, who juicing? Okay. We're trading below Gex Flip. 74.60 now. Exclamation Boo Gamma. Yeah, there was a big one at 75.10. Looks like. Sorry for the flashbang. It's actually 7,500 is the big one. Close that. And then still 7,400. in the all expirations. Options are already next week, right after CPI. How about that? Got some longs coming in on Binance. A little bit of shorts in the lows. OKEX. A little bit of shorts into the lows. By BITU also. But that's USDT. Not really any edge in yeah, it's maybe a hidden if it holds here. I'm not too optimistic about it. Hold on. There we go.
I'm in the office clicking smoother than a Cadillac. I'm plotting 886 trying to get the golden bag.
Yeah, it's not really like a whole lot going on with the Wendy's long, McDonald's maybe. McDonald's. Let me look at some more stonk shit coins. McDonald's, help me. Bad lows.
For the legends like G, for the traders like me, the realest in the chat, we should charge a fee. Kimba.
Yeah, that thing's still lower on Micron. Microsoft had a good bounce, but it's like right in this little consolidation and rejecting. Apple holding the 300. That was a good day. That was a good day. Those highs. Those highs are looking juicy on Apple. You want to hold 300. And that's like the first single print fill. Maybe it even like wicks into the next one. I think the probability is lying on not being a lower high on Apple, but you need some help. Google rejecting. I don't like, but I like for bullishness those highs for potential getting run.
You ain't gotta guess, just risk right. 1 to 3 TP hitting overnight. Back this solid. Trade journal tight, Kimba up early. We plan before the light. You revenge trade, that ain't us. SL clean. We skip the fuss. Zone marked out.
SL clean.
One quick move, and it's in the past. Ain't about hope, destruction and rain. Stick to the plan. Let profits change.
There we go. That's a little better.
Entry again. New fib reset. That stop loss, man, let it ride. Let it ride. Once it hit that fib zone, yeah, we slide. Yeah, we slide. If you're playing tight, baby, let it show. Set that stop loss profit. Now you in control. Stop loss and profit.
Ugh. With that sweep. These lows are bad. Maybe previous week point of control. Little sweep.
Watch the fib, set that stop loss, let it hit. Slide left, check the zone, slide right, ride it home, drop that buyer stake.
400 rejection.
Clean and
I'm not getting too excited until those minutes come out. When Wendy's long? Dude, I don't think I've ever charted Wendy's. What's the ticker on it? When? Dude, below the COVID lows. Shout out to the Baconator. He wanted to hold that. Dude, what happened with Wendy's? World Cup partnership. That's right, Barentina. Wall Street bets. Let's go. All right. That's pretty juicy, man. I think maybe the a sweep of this, of the 7.2. Why is my profile not working? Am I just retarded? I mean, we already know that. That's crazy. It's value area low too. Yeah, maybe that sweep, and you got structure, value area low, little swing fail. That'd be cool. Let's get back over to some real charts though. Going for it, maybe. Let's keep an eye on this sweep. Oh, I was doing proper TA on this, and then I just like got wigged out on IRL shit. Let's go, cock dealer. 1 hour before, well, 2 hours. Off the charts, yeah, I got the risk, I'm all in. Call that breakout, you heard the fibs announce it. She just tagged VWAP, now she bouncing. Yeah, I kind of want to do the fib on the index. Now we ride to the fib zone, call it heavy. Seen the wick flip from fear, now we ready. That's on Kimba. Only books up in my tabs, be the ancient. Straight up, no lie. How far this price gon' run till infinity? On God, if this game get complicated, you get phased out. Front run the 618. Like you don't know, no, we're at the 05. Short, come up off that long. Don't
don't get got, don't get got.
Useless Lines Records. Drop the first for Kimba Gang. Our vibe, that's how it was.
They're not going to move the clock.
We rolling deep,
Dream Chaser.
they around for the gains and they loyal. I feel the
That's why I had moved it, and then I moved it for the agger. You want me to change it back so the agger's on the left? I just thought that the camera was kind of like floating in space,
ain't with the beef, my crew's tight, the foes get tall. Straight up. Never ran
and that you could see more of the chart this way. But you missed the ticker. This is S&P index. It's just SPX. That is what I'm talking about, cock dealer. Let's go, Kimba. Let's go. We're running. Below Gex Flip. Shoutouts to CoinWise. Yeah, what's Gex Flip? 61,874. Dope. You can't see my cursor on here because of how I have it to interact. Dope. Yeah, probably those lows. We're just keeping an eye on it. Let's go, Kimba. That's what I'm talking about. He's dealing the cock. The cack. Shoutouts to the New England Lions. Let's go Happy. The cack dealer. Pack the car.
Was at the Fed meeting with my traders. Kimba gang, we don't do recruiting. Say you ready to catch
Any other edge? That low is bad. Yeah, maybe it's gonna get clean now. All this little news and fucking minutes. Yeah, let's keep an eye on that. Shoutouts to coinwise.com/dashboard. You're busy as fuck. I see you. MEXC83 busy as fuck. Juicing. Focacino, is that like a typo? He's getting those umbrellas out. Dude, I'm about to long Hermes. If you're not coughing, you're not juicing. This song is juice. Forgiven. Coke Zero. Let's go Focacino. Ooh! Shoutouts to Coke Zero. Huge thank you, brother. Get those umbrellas out. Let's go. If you just juiced up from a gift sub from Coke Zero, make sure you thank the man. He's been grinding. OG grinding. Juicing. He got a net thang. Shoutouts to the Wise Lion. Shoutouts to the PSG. Make sure you thank the man. Big thank you, Coke Zero. Much love, brother. 83rd. Gilfron. Me too, Focacino. Oh, Gilfron, you dodged it. It was like Neo. QC, I meant to ask you the other day. Are you here? We were talking about football. How about that game yesterday? Holy shit, that was crazy. I mean, that match. Let's go, JV. Houston, did you ever play? You said that you've been watching since you were a kid. Did you ever play? I mean, like, for, like, your high school team or, like, in just, like, regular club? Yeah, that's awesome, man. What position did you play? Let me guess, you're a striker. You're fucking a goal hound. He was like Messi. Executing. Coke Zero, let's go. 9,000 gift subs. That's not even a typo. Holy shit. Holy shit. Dude, that's like 50 grand to the community. That is insane. I love you, Coke Zero. Man, that's a true lion right there. Legend. No shit, Inky. Defender, but you played a bit of everything. Yeah, shout out to the defenders that like get involved in the offense. Yeah, man, that was a rough one. England's got a big one coming up. You changed your nickname then? Oh, that's right. Holy shit, Coke Zero. It's like 100K to the channel. Holy shit, man. Unreal. How much juice has he made in that amount of time? You know, that's what he's gifted. He's like multi Bugattis in. Flag football was your favorite? That's juice. Amazing. Yeah, multi Bugattis. That's right, Coke Zero. Holy shit, dude. Well deserved, brother. Happy for you, man. Kata Spada. Let's go, girlfriend. Played all sports. Yeah, same. Dude, Cage would be proud. I played street hockey, so it doesn't count. But it was fun. They are. Yeah, Barentina. That was a tough one, wasn't it? Norway's good though, man. Inky does. Quit playing with me. You're fucking with me. Playing with my money is like playing with my emotions. Roller skates, let's go. I was like rollerblades, but we went to the skating. That was a thing back in the day, was the skating rink. When we were like 11, 12, 13 maybe. Everybody used to go. Kickball was fucking sick, dude. I love kicking the shit out of that ball. With the glow sticks, let's go. Oh yeah. Shout out to the skating rinks. I don't even know if they have any of them around here anymore. Night golf. Let's go, Inky. Playing all day outside. Dude, There's just something about being outside. That's a must for childhood. They got it all shut down. That's a bummer, man. Dude, you live in Houston. What are you talking about? Oh, all the OG skating rinks. It's a firehouse. A firehouse subs or a firehouse? Because they got those popping up everywhere. Also, hey, what's the ticker for firehouse subs? Fire department, yeah. Oh shit, how about the Heelys? Any of you have those shoes? I mean currently, not back in the day. Everybody had them back in the day. I'm just kidding. Dude, you remember the freestyle walking? They had those shoes that had like fucking like slides so you could jump up on handrails. That was before parkour. You had to cut the stripes off? Damn. I thought I was drawing like the three stripes on mine. Oh, the soap shoes. That's right. You had them, Acentus. Dude, I remember those things. Holy shit. I never had a pair. I thought it was fun. I was skateboarding when that came out. That was sick though. It was like, it was awesome. Get your ass inside. Who had Heelys? Houston, I know you had Heelys. You probably have some like custom made for your Crocs. So like right after college, I did valet parking. I actually did it for quite some time. And it was just like a side thing. But I was like, shit, I'm gonna get some Heelys and fucking get to people's cars way faster. I don't have to run as much. I never did it. It was good exercise. That was good money too. It was nice having cash in your pocket. Shout outs to all the service jobs. Let's go, 10 binds. Yeah, cash in your pocket that you don't go to the ATM for. Ah, Houston. That's a bummer. Kids are fucking mean, dude. Crypto Jammies, let's go. I know this was around. Maimas. Yeah, I worked there for a while. I know that was there when you were still in the area. But I did some other places too. I had a company for a bit. Let's go, Kobe! Exclamation Coinwise. Coinwise.com/dashboard. Yeah, this low has a little bit of licks, but not huge. How funny was that though? Like that news dropped about Sailor on Monday and then like it pretty much set the low. We'll see. That's true, Inky. Let's go, Houston. Goddamn right. And if they could see you now, whew, they'll be crying. fucking record label, big time streamer, all around juicer, running shit. Let's go, Vigilant. Let's go, 10 binds. MJ, Uranium, Forgiven. Yeah, y'all, we just got the minutes coming up in a little while. We're just kind of vibing. Mean reverted. Yeah. Yep. They got wrecked. That's right, Housty. Dude, I was a striker forever. And then I moved back to midfield and I was like all over the place. But actually, as I got older, I started to really enjoy defense and just fucking like getting involved in that part of it. So I liked all aspects. Dude, I was no good, but it was fun playing goalie. And we had like a big sand soccer thing here. And goalkeeper in sand soccer is fun as fuck. You're ballers? What did you play, Valentina? Did you guys play together? You still play? I haven't played like on a league or anything in a long time. I think I played like I don't know. I do miss it, and when I watch the World Cup and stuff, then it's like even more so. But it's cool because I got kids and I'm teaching baby Mandalo little things now. It's gonna be fun. Lots of basketball, nice. Oh, you played like Rio ball. You were balling. And they wouldn't let you come back to Brazil? So you played in the States for one season, and they were like, "Fuck no, dude, you are not coming back. You're locked in. Instead of deporting you, they're keeping you here. You're a refugee for the high school soccer team." Dude, that whole thing with soccer is hilarious too. Like, fuck y'all, it is football. Crazy. It is a double A. It's hard though. And dude, if you're playing on when it's hot, oh. And you just want to play basketball? That's sick. That's sick. Are you tall? They made you. They were like, "Oh, you're from Brazil. You're playing on the soccer team. I don't give a shit." There you go. Damn. He's like the Brazilian Erling. I'm sure you were. I'm sure you were. That's dope, man. Let's go, Valentina. I don't know, man. I think they do. I think they do. Oh, are we micro holding this? Yep. Oh, it's a cleaner. Shout out to Shake the Bank. Yeah, how about those patches? What did you ever do with those patches, Crypto Jammies? They used to have presidential physical fitness awards or something. Yeah, AA. It is. Dude, if that sand is hot, holy shit, dude. Good morning, Psycho Talon. How we doing? I'm strong if you strong. Yeah, beach football is fun too. Like American football. You have all 6? Damn, cog dealer. Let's go. What part of the world are you from, cog dealer? Because you would be playing some ball if you were here. Maybe football too if you were like built. Like American football. Psycho Talent, it's all good, man. We're just waiting for the FOMC minutes. We're looking at this sweep here on RTH. It's kind of confluent with this sweep on spot and perps. But you get down here, you get a close below this and probably get all this down into like the 6,700 zone. The den is, I mean, there's nothing really changed from the den. So make sure you check that if you haven't seen it yet, brother. That's your first TP? Let's go, Psycho Talon. Psycho Talon. Let's go, Crypto Jammies. Crypto Jammies, do you play any sports when you were in high school or in grade school? I'm strong if you strong. These shorts are kind of juicing. Somebody just long the fuck out of this. Not really, but yeah, not really. Oh, it's a dildo. It's a lot more shorts. I'm strong if you strong. All right, let's get my Latuche song up. Where are we on this playlist? Did we already play my song? Oh, it's on random. Where's my NFT? Exclamation NFT. Shoutouts to the Wise Lions. What's going on over in the DC? Shoutouts to the Wise Lions. Coke Zero. Juicy Juice. Let's go. Yeah, they're totally different. Fuzjon, are you on stream? I can show you the difference. Shouts to Dre. I don't know who C is. It's this goddamn streamer mode, dude. There we go. Crack Mama. There it is. LOL Colqui. Yeah, DEP. And Jasky. Zavi. Let's go. 83rd. Who's up in the PSG? Shoutouts to Artem, 10 Binds, and Maestro. Let's go. Cypher's vibing out in PSG. 10 Binds is juiced up. Exclamation bit base. You were born at 38 inches? What the fuck? How? Let's go Coke Zero. Yeah, I think that there's a higher probability if it loses and starts closing back down in that high 60,000 range that it'll probably go for it. Shoutouts to your mom. Oh my god. And Crypto Jammies. That's amazing, dude. Yeah, you gotta do it. You gotta do it. Yeah, sports are a big thing, man. Huge for kids. Independence, yes. We played them. So you lived in Virginia Beach for a little bit, huh? That's dope. I don't know if they still have Independence. Now they call it middle school. That's dope. Ran track. In Tidewater, yeah. I ran track a little bit. Let's go, Neil. Yeah, if Mercane is still here, I was showing some of the dashboard things. This is all free. Exclamation Coinwise and coinwise.com/dashboard. But for like higher time frame analysis, we're gonna do a nerd out on this before too long. But this is juicy. All this data. And they just added 13 weeks. Shout outs to Coinwise. So quarterly. You get your net. Spreading, it's kind of juice because it's like derivative of this. But yeah, let's go. Shout out to Coinwise. What? Yeah, and then just general open interest. Yeah, it came up for this bounce. I know you can't really see it. There you go. A little bit lower. We already heard this song. Here we go. Cock dealer, how were you 38 inches? Is that for real? Is that for real, dude? Yeah, dude. No kidding. An 880.
living too easy, smoke that lead, it's feeling too dreamy. Profit go up, never get greedy. Kimba, we feasting, living too freely. Double cup love, that's juice in my veins.
That's dope.
Fresh, no stress on my name. Kimba go up, whole gang in the range.
I live out in the First Colonial area. That's dope, dude. Yeah, 38-inch baby, Coke Zero. Dude, my fucking almost 4-year-old is 38 inches tall. That's ginormous. Dude, Mrs. Mandalo's got this friend that this baby is like fucking huge, and it's like, super young. I don't even know how it happens. So I'm not putting it past Kai Dealer. That's fucking, I feel for your mother, dude. That's a lion. Goddamn right. That's like a motherfucking prehistoric lion. That's like the big lion energy. Earning that name. Yeah, position's closing. Not necessarily bearish. You know, but it's also off of that quarterly. So some of the positions could be coming back in and then just like getting stopped out again. Yep, pretty much that was the downfall of my promise in competitive sports. It didn't affect my grades, but it definitely, I mean, it was confluent with like my obsession with surfing too. It was, it was happening at the same time. So I had surfed since like a lot younger, but I was like kind of doing it all. And then in high school, man, but I still played. I just was like less in love with it. And I didn't run track after that. I ran track in like, I think freshman year, and that was it. Trying to run again soon. Let's go, Crypto Jammies. Yeah, my neighbor started running marathons. I don't got time for all that. Do you? Shit. Shout out to CoinWise, coinwise.com/dashboard. Let's go. Where's that SpaceX Gex level? Not a whole lot has changed. Ooh, Gamma flips at 150 now on SpaceX. And you're getting some things building up in the 140 and 135 zone. Yeah, pretty much every $5 increment, but 140 is pretty big. Interesting. So we'll see about this pullback on S&P if it happens. That's dope, Crypto Jammies. Where did you put it? Like, did you just carry it into the classroom? Did you chain it to your bike?
Hey yo, what we do? Kimba gang, yeah, we stacking it too. Living this life, making dreams come true. Stay fly, stay high, yeah, we.
Dude, somebody was telling me, like the library here, y'all, if you are not from the US, I don't know how it is in other countries, but the libraries here, they like let you borrow books and shit. But they started to do like, let you borrow all kinds of things, like games and puzzles and shit for like the kids. But now they fucking even let you at the beach libraries, they let you check out surfboards and it's free. You just borrow a surfboard and go surfing. The fuck? God bless America. That's my taxpayer dollars. My taxpayer dollars at work. Exclamation Palau.
Every win, yes, money we send. We the heartbeat of the grind. Kimber gangs on top. Pop champagne like the flame, and we never gonna stop. Break highs, cash in, we move. Living this life like bosses.
Who juicing coming up in a little while? You got anything juicy today? It is coming up today, isn't it?
Highs and lows, we stay in the groove. Every tick, every move.
Yeah. Oh, who juicing Premier? Let's go. You got Kimba Live trading tomorrow. Market close with me. And then Kimba Live trading on Friday. Who juicing Premier again on Friday. And LGT. Exclamation Talent Show. Y'all need to enter this thing. It's amazing. You can get your position. Well, you can get your... I'm like so tweaked out from earlier anyways. But you can get your songs made into like your lyrics made into amazing songs and have a fantastic chance of juicing up on big winnings. $250 on the line every talent show. So do it. Let's see a do it from my my top tiers. In the brush. You just hit it in the bushes. That's sick, dude. I never even thought about that. That's pretty dope. I should have done that. Dude, all that surf shit is so expensive now. It's like fucking $800 for a cheat board. God bless inflation. Did you? That's dope. Nice. Congratulations. Scratchers is another thing. Holy shit, man. I've seen people go through those things like fucking, like, I don't know, Cheetos. Like, what is something that you go through a lot of? Like, just stacks of them. Stacks of them. Just scratch the little box at the bottom that tells you like what the code is. They like memorize the code. Fucking stacks of them like this. We're about to wrap it up, y'all. You know, it's kind of like pushing on those lows. S&P's not looking super Gucci right now. You got a little bit down below around the 7,400 level on all expirations. Exclamation Boo Gamma. Gex Flip. 7,460 might be a level to watch if it can retrace this pullback. Lost it off of after the initial balance. But volatility triggers below Gex Flip. We are wrapping up, y'all. Anybody want to see something last minute before we get on out of here? Let's go, Mark. Thank you all for joining this morning. Shout outs to Coke Zero. Thank you so much for the gift subs this morning. What a great day. The math is the math. Shout outs to Kimba's Den. Exclamation Discord. Shout outs to the PSG. Pintlovsky. You want to see EVAA? Lab USDT? Oh, man. It sounds like not one that I want to get back into. Buys black? Wait, what? Black diamonds? I mean, shout outs to the black diamonds, though. Let's go Nwojo. How we doing, brother? What is that ticker? EVAA? What is even the coin called? Oh my god. Shouts to the EVAA. Is that the one that you said that didn't treat you well, Inky? I hope you didn't. I hope you didn't try to short that one. What is it called? EVA Protocol? Does it have like a real name, or is that an abbreviation? Or is that just what it's called? The fuck? Dude, there's too many tickers to keep track of. How do you even find these things? Twitter? No, that's what it's called. That's not the one. Okay. You're juicing, right? Are you in this thing? It's I mean, it broke out hard as a motherfucker. It looks like it ran over everybody. Everybody that was trying to short. Probably $5 if it can make it up there. So I would look at that and maybe like that for your daily. Which it's like tippity tap tapping already. Look at that. I'm not drawing that because of this. People took profit there because of that. That's insane. Is that pixel fucking or is that pixel fucking? Damn. Hold on, let's see it back down here. Yeah, back tested that thing. Look at that, the value area and structure like really, really close. I mean, that's a long way down. Right at value area high. I don't even know. I don't even like that. If it pulls back, if it loses all this, kind of there maybe. I think this is the move though. So if it pulls back a whole lot, like, it might just end up being like a lower high afterwards. Which still, that's like a fucking juice move. You get me all like hyped up. Yeah, 200% in a day. We're like looking at these fucking stock charts. 300%. That's just so juice. It might be due. It might be due a little bit of a pullback. But within this, yeah, these lows are no good. You need to hold it. Why did I mark that 237? But point of control, even if it's gonna lose it all, like that's a good low right here. Locally, I don't like it how close it is to all this, but I think that it could still push up and maybe clean some of that at value area high, even if it's going to fail. Got to get through the point of control and VWAP first, so monthly VWAP retest, juice. Shout outs to CoinWise. Well, Trey, I'll tell you how. You maybe have shorted other ones in the past. You maybe have shorted other ones in the past, and you learned a lesson. Because I'm gonna go back to here. You're like, oh shit, I'm gonna short the fuck out of this. It's hitting that single print and rejecting. That is a bullshit move. Look at this. That's ugly ass price action. We're not looking at like open interest or anything. Look at that long. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm fucking shorting this. Fuck this. And I'm not like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm just market shorting. Fuck this. There's your stop. Up in the single print a little more. It's going to 0. What's your, like, just down to the point of control. Not that bad. There's your 2R trade. Okay. We'll be reasonable and say is not going to 0. Oh, fuck me. I'm gonna short it again. Fuck me. Fuck me. Oh my God. Are you fucking for real? No! Many of us has been there. When do you actually get in? That's on 30-minute candles that ran really fast. But you know what I'm saying. It's hard. You gotta be like careful, manage your risk. You're going with structure. It broke out from a long consolidation. You're better off longing that when it breaks from here. I hate to say it, but if it holds on that breakout, the chances are higher. Yeah, exactly. Not financial advice. I know, Trade Watcher, it's like, yeah, you want to short it, and it probably will give you a great short. It'll give you a good return if you can get that level. You just got to really be on top of things and trail your stops, and fucking you fully are aware of the risk of getting run over. That's a lot of volume coming in. And it wasn't even like a short squeeze. That was longs coming in. At least there. Yeah. Still. But I mean, if you are brave, then more power to you. If I was looking for a short at this point, I know that the probability is lower if it breaks back up in here and you get a close up here. If I'm looking for a short for real that I want it to go to 0, I want it to lose this. I want it to lose all this. And even then, I don't think, I'm managing my expectations. Bull div on gold. Ooh-wee. Yeah, let's get out of Eva. Shout outs to Inky for that ticker. Yeah, we just nerded out super hard on this one. But it's just like kind of a case study for how you would play a breakout like that. You did catch TAC. Dude, I actually have to go to IRL work. So I can make sure that I'm around for the minutes. I can get that shit done. Tippity tapping on previous week value area high. Shout outs to the CoinWise levels. The minutes in 2 hours. Who juicing in 1 hour? Rejecting this gap, getting rejected by that one. We're just like kind of ping pong ding dong for a little bit longer. Decent little bounce on S&P. Watch out for this single print if you're in something. For ES, it's going to be higher, probably closer to 7,500, but the that single print is spanning across 7,450, and Gex flip is 7,460. So could still reject from there. Yeah, it's closer to 7,500. That's where VWAP is on ES. Yeah, maybe it's the minutes that like give us the sweep everywhere. Let's go Hitman Gucci, already in at 40.35. Let's go. Yeah. Good little bounce. I gotta hit the outro because I'm gonna never get out of here and I really have to go. Yeah, that's juice. There's a little bit more of that gap to go. Hitman Gucci, I know you know what you're doing. If it pulls back, maybe it cleans these lows. You got that gap fill. Still a teeny bit more, but I mean, that's like, you're getting so fucking nitpicky about it. Yeah, let's get out of this gap, make our way up to this one. That would be juice. Maybe that news is kind of wiped out. Let's go Hayblade, hit him with the goose. I wonder if that goose... Oh, Trump is live. Oh, great. Well, yep, y'all know what to watch. Keep an eye on the X. Check out CoinWise on X. Check out Kimba on X. There was a competition the other day. Let's go, Hitman Gucci. Nice. Pinlowski said, get him. Pedro Pintlovsky. Hitman Gucci, I hope you juice up, brother. Thank you, Coke Zero. Shoutouts to Coke Zero. Shoutouts to Biffum. Shoutouts to MEXC83. MEXC83 juiced us up today, too. Shoutouts to MEXC83. Big thank you to all the support from all of the Lions. And especially all the gifters. Keep working hard, y'all. Who juicing coming up? Exclamation dashboard. Make sure that you get in that BitBase. Maybe some giveaways later. Maybe some giveaways tomorrow. Just get ready for it. Exclamation BitBase. And don't miss that generational airdrop on TX Flow. Get in there and get some trading volume established. You got the rest of the... I mean, you got 6 months pretty much. Absolutely, MEX83. Always. Pleasure to be here. You're very welcome, Endoline. Thank you for being here. Thank you all for joining and supporting. Thanks for the questions. Thanks for the ideas. Thanks for the laughs. Thanks for not tuning out when I started talking about weird shit. You know what it is when you get Mandalo, you get a little bit of everything. And this much time just sitting here talking, it's natural to talk about other things too. The plan is a plan. The math is the math. The juice is the juice, and the Letuche is the Letuche. If you don't use a stop loss, I'm going to slap the shit at you. Get ready to hear Housty say that even better next time. And Buzz. Let's go. Shoutouts to the team. Housty, Cage, Buzz, Cyper, Chauncey, Tiggy, Coin Nerd. Shoutouts to Reddy. Shoutouts to Gypsy. Big thank you to Kimba, as always. Big thank you to our official stream sponsor, CoinWise. Huge shoutouts to BitBase and TX Flow. and all the exchanges. BitBase has big deposit bonuses. Trade comp, exclamation trade comp. Get ready. Join the team. Capital K1M6A. You gotta join the team manually. Let's go, J-Bucks. Keep getting it, brother. Ecstasy, Psycho Talon, Biffum. Love you, brother. Hodl, Zoniag, Hitman Gucci, juice up on that dang. Keep an eye on this Trump's thing and the minutes in a little while. Gonz's Pavel, shoutouts PSG. Watch the highlights, watch the den, be here for who juicing. Juicing long, chicken milkshake, dumb check. Dayox, Pavel, Mark, shoutouts Maestro, Indolion, Fredward, Neil. Have a great day. Have a great afternoon, everyone. Maybe Band-Aid. Let's go. Kim Gang always. MEXC 83. Pantlovsky. Coke Zero. Psycho Talon. Inky. Bergie. Hodl. Mark. He Reeving. Shout out to Hayblade. Crypto Jammies, Trey. You shorted 3 times and lost. Sorry, I missed that. Dude, it's super hard, man. If you should long or short, I think maybe just like wait for it to establish volume, set some alerts at that value area high that I was kind of displaying, and set some alerts for those lows. It may not be one that you want to be a part of. It could distribute for quite some time. But I think just kind of set your your touch lines, your sidelines, and monitor that. Yeah, let's do it, Crypto Jammies. I want to see those pictures of the pups. Shout outs to you, brother. Yeah, I'll hop in there and check it out. Shoutouts PSG, shoutouts to the Discord, exclamation Discord, best Discord community on earth, second best CoinWise Discord. Make sure you check that out as well. All right, love y'all. Have a great Wednesday, y'all. I'll see you soon. I want to be here with you. Bergie, Trey. Yeah, go in the altcoin talk or PSG, dude. That's a great place to share ideas about that one, because I know that PSG is checking that shit out, and Inky's Inky's OG in PSG. Bud Fox, Pedro, Mr. Larry's. Big cheers to everybody. Love y'all. Fredward. We're in all 3 on that one. MJ. Postponed for a week, yeah. It's all right. It's all right. Yep. Shout outs to the KIMBA'S Den, Endolion. You too, Hayblade. All right. Love y'all. Peace. I'll see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow afternoon for market close. Synonym. Chicken milkshake. Later.
Mandalo.
Early morning levels without a doubt. I'm nerding and we nerding out. Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set 'em. We set 'em. Pre-market out for the Lions is ready. CoinWise, Sammy and Salmon, we steady. Deep cheers when the night is connecting. Wise lions studying with patience. Mandalo. In the morning, I'm nerding and we're nerding out. Early morning levels without a doubt. Calling the zones in the structure. Pre-market nerd out. That's all that we about. Shout out to CoinWise. Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set 'em. Why you be all on the trot if you rushing? Why you not marking the levels of sunken? Wise lions patient, we build it for structure. structure. Mandalo teaching the code to the public. Coin-wise outfits flowing abundance. Knowledge and discipline stacking the hundreds. Every reaction, the lions know how I'm coming. Lions per air when candles start pumping. Before the bell ringing, the lions on a mission. Studying candles, levels, and timing with precision. A boobalido in any market condition. Coin-wise with Kimba Lions dominating the competition. We got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set them. Battle, we set them. Pre-market off of the Lions is wedding. Coin-wise family and seminar we stay. Big cheers with the knowledge connected. Wise lions studying with patience. Mandalo in the morning. I'm nerdy and we nerdy now. Early morning levels without a doubt. Calling this all to the structure. Pre-market nerd out. This all that we about. Shout out to Coin-wise. Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set them.